Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. It's early on a Monday morning. We're off to fit it's a great big 40 kilowatt LPG 8000 style in white this time. It's going to go with the kitchen nicely, so no black finishes on this one, but yeah, it should look good. I'll update you a bit later on when we're going to go and collect the boiler now. And then when I've woken up a tiny bit, you know what it's like. But yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the install. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so quite literally fighting this job here. It's not too bad at all really, just being under the floor and that, trying to work out what was going on to start with, and we did. Check out my Instagram if you haven't seen that. That's explains a lot of this job. But yeah, boiler's on the wall, flue's in now, most of the pipe work is in, etc. I'm just going to fill up after lunch. I've got to go and see a little job now. As you can see, we're part of the way there. So not all of them are going to be ply lined, super neat. This is as best as I can get it here, unless we start really chopping into the wall and changing pipe work. Up here now is where the problem lay. So under here, we've literally just chopped out problematic pipe work. As you can see, some of it, these boiler fixes, one of them on the return was not letting the sort of flow come back from the radiator, so we had a warmish rad coming into the one side up to the top and not exiting through the other valve. So yeah, traced it back to the last place that the return was warm, and that was down there on that T, as you can see. Yeah, so chopped it out. Just going to now match up this and this to here and here. Sounds super easy, of course, plug and play, it's what everyone thinks, but yeah, all done. So I'm going to crack on and do this. I'll catch up with you in a minute. Okay guys, so setting up the MagnaClean now. If you don't know already, when you fit the microfilter, which is the small 22mm Bosch filter, you will need to order from AD these adapters for your MagnaClean set, the blue box, otherwise you won't get it to fit. So what I was talking about is in your set, none of these here will fit the, not micro, but the Worcester Bosch Mini. It's probably going to be the same situation for the brass one, maybe these fit that as well. But what you've got now is you can just slip these on. And I think it was about 25 quid or something for the set, maybe less than that, but as with AD, it's always next day delivery, and it's probably going to be before 10 o'clock, which is fantastic. pushing it to the van, got myself some cleaner, gonna pop this in, gonna run that now for an hour or two, check what the radiators are doing. Now we've got our new pipework up in the floor there, which has solved the problem. I know it solved the problem. So with every style or live boiler, you will want to be buying the new Comfort Plus if you like the Comfort range. If the customer's keen on connecting to the phone, internet, or doing it from work, things like that, then definitely go for the easy control. But the Comfort's still a good one if they're not too worried. Comes with a key, pop that in, put the batteries in, it'll just connect straight away, so that is really good. Programmable as well, that is, mounted to the wall, or just a lot of people like to take it around the house with them. Thanks very much for watching. That's the end of another one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.